Good evening, viewers. This is Larissa Korba, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Salesian Physiotherapy Clinic reopens with scheduled calls. All clinic goers need to follow hygiene and safety standards. A mix of anxiety and joy. This is how most students from the 10th term of the Salesian Physiotherapy course felt when resuming practical classes at the Physiotherapy Clinic located at UNA, University of the Best Age, in the center of Akarituba. Health care for patients resumed on September 1st after almost 6 months interrupted due to the epidemic caused by the new coronavirus. So now to perform the activities, all physiotherapy clinic goers need to follow hygiene and safety standards. Academic pioneer Cristina de Andrade Freitas said she missed contact with patients. We didn't stop studying. We attend online meetings and meetings. But I'm very happy with the return. It counted. The Sant Ambrogio Salesian Institute in Milan has chosen to equip its school's environment with new Sanifica area devices produced by the Begeli company. The health emergency has highlighted that air quality should not be considered a mere parameter of comfort, but an important element of healthiness, also in consideration of the long time spent between the school walls. In Brazil, Campo Grande province celebrates the centenary of Father Tanumbar's death. Even if his case is not canonically recognized as martyrdom, and there is no ongoing cause, the life story and circumstances of the death of German Salesian missionary Father Joseph Tanhubers are remembered and celebrated as clear examples of self-giving holiness and the giving of one's blood in the name of faith and for the salvation of the souls entrusted to him. For this reason, on the occasion of the centenary of his birth in heaven, the Salesians of his province wanted to remember him. On Monday, 7th September, the Council of Spokespersons of the City of Seville made public its awarding honorary distinctions of the city for people and institution for 2020. Among these, there is also the San Juan Bosco Institute. The honors will be awarded on 23rd September in Fibes as the health crisis caused by COVID-19 has prevented the traditional institutional event, which is held every year on May 30th in the Lope de Vega Theatre on the occasion of the feast day of San Ferdinando, the city's patron saint. Last Saturday, 5th September, during a Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesian and Grand Chancellor of the Salesian Pontifical University, UPS, Father Maria Arukiam Kanaga was appointed as the new superior of the Vice Province, Maria Sede de la Sapienza of the UPS. About 8 months after the beginning of the first recognized cases of COVID-19, Asia, the continent that first experienced the effects of the new coronavirus, seems to be slowly returning to normalcy. In fact, notes of cautious hope come from the various works and missions spread throughout the East Asia Oceania region, which is hoped will soon spread to the whole world. Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic, September 2020. On 5th September, the Salesians of Antilles Province ANT celebrated the priestly ordination of Salesian High Roll Javier Mateo Polino and the diaconal ordination of Mario Luis Minaya Palacio, ordained with the imposition of hands and a consecratory prayer of Monsignor Jesus Castro Marte, the Bishop of Diocese of Hegio. On 8 September, at the parish of SS Trinita in Genzano di Roma, 13 Salesians made their first religious profession in hands of Father Juan Carlos Perez Godoy, counselor for the Mediterranean region. On 7th September, Father Michael Karikanal, Provincial of the Anglophone West Africa AFW province, presided over the Eucharistic celebration, during which 7 Salesian novices made their first profession. On 8 September, at Colo Don Bosco, the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez presided over the first religious professions of 9 Salesians. Monday, 7th September, in the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians in Baldoco, during the Mass presided over by Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime, 2 Salesians from Belarus, Mark Najic and Mikhail Radzevich, belonging to the community of the Theological Studentate of Turin, Crosetta, made their perpetual profession. The Eucharist was concelebrated by the director of the Don Bosco International Institute, Father Marek Charan, the ICP Provincial Vicar, Father Michal Molinar, and the various Salesians. At the end of the celebration, the Rector Major also participated in the celebration in the community of the Studentate. The Vocation Animation team, led by Father Isaias Bonifacio, SDB, has reached out to spread the seed of Salesian vocation to the young students at Diocesan Secondary School of Ainaro. Approximately 200 students, boys and girls, participated in the vocational encounter. Brother Felipe da Conceição, SDB, as a member of the Vocation Animation team, presented the life of Don Bosco and the identity of the SDBs. Father Adireto da Costa, SDB, presented the mission of the SDBs, and Father Isaias Bonifacio, SDB, presented the Salesian formation process. Since April 3rd, 2020, Salvo has posted 148 online goodnight talks shared by the Salesian brothers, priests or bishop, FMA sisters, Salesian cooperators, Don Bosco past pupils, lay mission partners and friends of Don Bosco, Caritas Sisters of Jesus, and youth coming from EAO region and beyond, such as USA, Canada, South Africa, Czech Republic, Brazil, India, Italy, United Kingdom, Paraguay, or Syria. Dr. Vivek Saini, the Bosconian COVID warrior, has completed 3 rounds of posting in COVID ICU, each lasting a month at Lok Nayak Jai Prakash Narayan LNJP Hospital, Delhi, which is currently the largest dedicated COVID hospital in India. Dr. Vivek Saini, a Don Bosco School, Delhi 2009 alumnus, is remembered fondly by his school teachers as the shy and introvert boy who loved to participate in as much as extracurricular activities as possible. To date, he proudly maintains a beautiful display portfolio of all the certificates won by him during his student days. He received appreciation in sketching, basketball, and table tennis. He is an avid trekker and a semi-professional travel photographer. At kilometer 980 of the Pan-American Highway in northern Peru, Salesians remain tireless in providing food support to poor and abandoned populations. We have come to the end of today's edition. Thank you for joining us. See you tomorrow at the same time and the same channel. This is Larissa Kurba, wishing you a pleasant evening.